In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen in StreamYard. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your slides, apps, or browser tabs on screen so your audience can follow along clearly and professionally. First, log into your StreamYard account and enter your broadcast studio. This is the main control room where you see your camera, microphone controls, and any guests or media. You can set this up before you go live or during a live show, but it's always a good idea to have the studio open and the content you plan to share ready to go in advance. Close anything you don't want to accidentally display, and tidy your desktop to avoid notifications or clutter popping up. At the bottom of the studio, click the Present button. This opens a small menu with sharing options designed to make it simple to bring outside content into your stream. From that menu, choose Share Screen. StreamYard will open your system's share window, and you'll be able to pick exactly what you want your audience to see. Next, decide what to share. You'll see three choices. Entire screen shows everything on your desktop, including any pop-ups or other windows you move to. Use this if you need to jump between multiple apps. Application. Windows shares a single program, like a presentation tool or a specific app, keeping the rest of your desktop private. Chrome tab focuses on one browser tab and is usually best for websites or video playback. If you plan to play audio from a browser tab, look for the option to include tab audio so your viewers can hear it clearly. Whichever you choose, double-check the preview to make sure you've selected the correct item. After selecting the screen, window, or tab, click Share. The first time you do this, your browser may ask for permission to record your screen. Simply allow it so StreamYard can display your content. Your shared screen will now appear in the studio as a new source, just like a guest camera. Click Add to Stream to make it visible to your audience. You can switch layouts to feature your screen full width, place your camera alongside it, or use picture-in-picture, depending on what fits your presentation. If you're narrating slides, speak slowly, pause briefly when advancing, and use your cursor intentionally to guide attention. That's it. With these steps, you can confidently share your screen in StreamYard and keep your presentation clean, focused, and easy to follow.